Good morning students, welcome back. The third part of foreign exchange market. I covered transactions in foreign exchange market. So let us understand how the transactions happens in foreign exchange market. Foreign exchange market also provides opportunities to earn profit through operation of arbitrage system. For this purpose, we require to understand the concept of operation of spot and forward exchange rate and arbitrage. Spot exchange rate in foreign exchange market, two types of exchange rate operations take place. They are spot exchange rate and forward exchange rate. Spot exchange rate is the current exchange rate between two currencies. It is determined by the market forces, that is demand for and supply of foreign exchange. It is the rate at which immediate delivery of foreign exchange has to be made. In reality, especially for large transactions, there is 2-day time lag between spot purchase or sale and the actual delivery. The time lag is allowed for paperwork, verification and clearing of payments. The exchange rate of the dollar is determined by the intersection of demand for and supply of dollars in the foreign exchange market. The demand for dollar is derived from the country's demand for imports which are paid in dollars, and supply is derived from countries' exports which are sold in dollars. The primary price makers buy or sell the currencies in the market, and the rate continuously changes in the free market depending upon the demand and supply. In the transaction, there is a spread between bid and ask price, enabling the dealer earn a profit of rupees 2.25 on the transaction of $1. Spot rate and spot date. Spot rate refers to the current exchange rate which may change many times during the day. Spot date refers to the delivery date of the currency. Forward exchange rate. When foreign exchange rates is determined in the foreign exchange market, the purchase and sale of foreign exchange is agreed upon currently for delivery and payment at a fixed date in the future. These contracts usually have matures of 30 days, 60 days or 90 days. These are the transactions for 180 days or 360 days also. Forward exchange rates differs from spot exchange rate, as the former may either be at the premium or discount. Importers who require to make payment, say after 90 days, will enter into an agreement to purchase foreign currency at a plus or minus rate than the spot rate. If a spot rate is rupees 70 for $1, the forward exchange rate may be 71 rupees for $1 or 69 rupees for $1. It will be rupees 71 if the market expects the exchange rate to increase, or 69 if the rate is expected to decline. Arbitrage. It is a process through which arbitrageurs, usually banks, who intend to make riskless profit out of discrepancies between interest rate and forward discount and forward premium. Arbitrageurs enter into arbitrage, that is to purchase of an asset in a low price market and its riskless sale in the higher price market. Let us learn from the example. Suppose rupees and dollar exchange rate in India is 70 rupees for $1. In USA 68 for $1. People will purchase dollars in USA and sell in India, earning a profit of rupees 2 per dollar. International arbitrage. When only two countries and two currencies are involved in arbitrage, it is called two-point arbitrage. When three currencies and three monetary authorities are involved, we have triangular or three-point arbitrage. Triangular or three-point arbitrage operates in similar way to that of two-point arbitrage. It increases demand for cheaper currency and increases supply of dearer currencies. This eliminates differences in exchange rates in different centers and in turn unifying all the monetary centers into single foreign exchange market. Uncovered arbitrage. In this system, arbitrageurs would take the risk to earn profit by investing a high interest rate bearing risk-free securities in the foreign market. This earnings would be according to the calculations provided the currency of the market where the person invested does not depreciate. If the depreciation is equal to the difference in the interest rate, the investors would not incur loss. However, if the depreciation is more than interest rate differential, the arbitrager will incur losses. In this case, the investor does not cover foreign exchange risk through forward contract. So, it is called uncovered arbitrage. Covered arbitrage. International investor would like to avoid the foreign exchange risk, so interest arbitrage is usually covered. For this purpose, investors purchase foreign currency to invest the same in the foreign country which has higher rate of interest. At the same time, the investor sells forward the amount of foreign currency he is investing plus the interest on invested amount for the period which will coincide with the maturity of the investment. The covered interest arbitrage refers to the spot purchase of foreign currency to make the investment and offsetting a simultaneous forward sale swap of the foreign currency to cover the foreign exchange risk. Under this system, when the foreign investor matures, usually 3 months, the investor will get the domestic currency equivalent of the amount of invested plus interest earned. Hedging. Hedgers are agents, usually firms, who enter the forward exchange market to protect themselves against the risk arising out of exchange rate fluctuations. Hedging undertaken by hedgers refer to an operation to protect themselves against the risk arising out of exchange rate changes. Hedging helps the firm cover the risk arising out of changes in exchange rates. Speculation. Speculators are agents who speculate, that is, purchase and sell foreign exchange with the intention of making profit by taking the advantages of changes in the exchange rates. So these are the points that you have to cover under the operations of the foreign exchange market. All the points you have to cover in that. Students, here the topic is over. Any of the question like explain the operation in the foreign exchange market, you have to give all those things or the transactions of foreign exchange market. Any transactions or operations in the foreign exchange market. Thank you very much.